Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access. Your Bloomberg terminal credentials and API entitlements must be active. Once confirmed, install the Bloomberg Desktop API or the bpipe client. These provide the libraries you will call. Next, make sure your machine can reach Bloomberg over the network. Open port 8194 and update firewall rules if needed. Finally, load the Bloomberg library in your environment. This step creates the session you will authenticate with. So don't skip verifying the API version and client certificate if required. You now authenticate the API session programmatically. Use your terminal credentials or application key and request the appropriate services like reference data, historical data, or intraday bar. Once the session is open, build and send requests. Specify tickers, fields, start/end dates, and intervals. Then handle responses, extract field arrays, timestamps, and status codes, transform records into your target format, CSV, JSON, or insert rows into a database. Make sure to implement paging and retry logic. You finish by validating and exporting. Compare a sample subset against terminal results to ensure field mappings and time zones match. Once validated, automate the workflow, wrap requests in scripts, add logging, schedule runs, and archive raw responses. Monitor quotas and handle rate limits by backoff and batching. If something goes wrong, check entitlements, confirm port access, and inspect error codes and date format mismatches. These are the usual culprits. Finally, document the pipeline so future you can reproduce and debug quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.